Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking channel. Today I want to make boiled potatoes with the white sauce as a side dish for dinner tonight. So let's get started. I would say they're pretty good. Put our butter. Now our flour. Salt. And pepper. Stir that a second and then we'll add our milk all at once. And I think we are done. Okay, so here is our potatoes. And now we're going to add our wonderful white sauce. Well, it's the best part of the day. Now we get to try our potatoes and white sauce. I haven't had this for a long time. Oh yeah. Oh, that's really good. This will be a great side dish for our chicken tonight. Chicken and probably broccoli. This is really good. Well folks, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you could hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps us out. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.